Hi guys, happy to see you on my channel where I post my covers and other stuff related to music. So as you can see, I'm a big fan of Charlie Puth and I really like his new song Light Switch. So today I wanna make the cover of it and I want you to show how I record the vocal and how I make the music for the song. So hope you enjoy this video. Let's begin.
Why calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? Why only wanna act like lovers? Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say when you only wanna do me dirty, but why calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back cause you got that, yeah. Why calling at 11:30? But I hit right back cause you got that, yeah.
2 days later.
I can't deny every time that I Can't deny every time. Can't deny every time that you turn me on like a light switch when you move your body around and around. You get me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want, you want, like give me one of you. Now walk away, you turn me on.
Well, the cover is ready. It's taken me 3 days to finish this song and I really like the result. During the process I discovered how Charlie cares about each millimeter of his song and how he cares about every sound. This is a huge work. Also I understand that I have to treat my room to reduce reverberation because it gives some mod in my vocal, but anyway the result is great. So now I can start doing video for this cover. Hope you enjoy your time. See you soon, bye!